The sun was rising over New York City. People were heading to work. Kids were off to school. Life felt ordinary. But no one knew. In just a few moments, history would change forever. A day that turned blue skies into black smoke. A day when the world watched in silence. And pain. 1. First plane. 8:46 a.m. American Airlines, Flight 11, crashed into the North Tower of the World Trade Center. The city froze. People thought it was an accident, but it was only the beginning. 2. Second plane. 9:03 a.m. United Airlines Flight 175 struck the South Tower, live, on every screen. This was no accident. It was war. Inside the towers, people made their last calls. "Mom, I love you." Those voices still echo in the hearts of millions. 3. Twin Towers collapse. 9:59 a.m. The South Tower collapsed. 10:28 a.m. The North Tower followed. In just 102 minutes, 2 towers vanished. 2,753 souls were lost, and the world changed. The streets were covered in smoke, fear, and silence. One survivor whispered, "I just wanted to live." But people around me were dying. 4. Pentagon and Flight 93. 9:37 a.m. Flight 77 hit the Pentagon. 10:03 a.m. Passengers aboard Flight 93 fought back. They stopped the plane from reaching the White House. Todd Beamer's last words. "Let's roll." Those words became a symbol of American courage. 5. War on Terror. Behind the attack was Al-Qaeda, led by Osama bin Laden. 19 hijackers didn't just attack buildings, they attacked humanity. America responded with the War on Terror. Afghanistan, Iraq, 2 decades of war, thousands of soldiers, millions of lives, and a world forever changed. 9/11 was more than an attack on America. It was an attack on hope, on freedom, on humanity. But America did not fall. Heroes stood up. Firefighters rushed in when others ran out. Ordinary people became legends. 2,977 souls. Not numbers, stories. 9/11 will never be forgotten, because pain made us stronger and unity made us unbreakable.